Hazur, there is a hadith that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked a woman to veil herself from a blind man. When she questioned the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, he replied, "He is blind, but you are not." Hazur, can we infer from this that like men are forbidden to see women on video, that women should also not be allowed to see men on video?
Blind was very hurt. You know, there are some situations where man and woman both have to see each other. But as Hazrat Muslim has beautifully explained, ghaflat ki nazar se, with no intent and no desire in the eye, but as necessity, as if the sight is falling upon inanimate objects. For example, when you are walking in the streets, you can't lower your eyes, bumping into each other, and that could be a graver situation than just looking at the face of somebody. So this is what Hazrat Muslim has so beautifully described, that you see, sometimes you have to see, but that vision should be ghaflat ki nazar se, as if you're not interested what is happening. The minimum interest should be in that vision or that observation of yours. So that is a must, you can't avoid it. But the situation which you have mentioned was a different situation. If a man is to be invited to a house, that is quite a different thing. It is not necessary that everybody should be permitted to enter the house. And unnecessarily, you should not put people in a situation of trial. Now, for Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu anha, there was no question of a trial, of course. But there are sometimes some blind men who are very attractive in features, in appearance, and there are some blind eyes which are whole to look at, but the vision is wrong within. Something is wrong with the optic nerve, for example. So such people may appear attractive. If the ladies say they can't see us and they invite us to their homes, and by their voices, attraction of their voices, they get interested, and by their personal charm, I mean those of the men, ladies become interested, so it's a situation of trial, unnecessary. So that is what Hazrat Rasulullah discouraged. A message through Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa to the rest of the ladies.